Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the cover image of your school community. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to change the cover image of your school community and you're wondering how to do so. I recently just did this and it took me a while to figure out. The first thing that you want to do is that there's multiple ways you could actually reach this. You can click onto settings here and then click on general, and then you can change your cover image here. So keep in mind that the dimensions do have to be 1084 by 576 pixels. So that's one way to change it. The other way to change it is if you go into the about page, you could actually add an image here and this will also become your cover image. So those are the two ways that I know to actually go ahead and change the cover image on your school community. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.